Evan. So is this going to be your forte? You going to deal with the goats? Sure. Are you intrigued? Inspired? Are we inspired? You going to pick one up, Evan? Pick the baby up. He has consent? I don't think. Look at you. I know that's right. He is so cute. Oh, he is really adorable. They are so cute. Wait, how'd they get out?
It's okay, they won't go nowhere. Okay.
I'm about to say, Evan, let the goats out. Don't let them eat your hat. Goats eat anything. They will eat metal. Really? It's a bum rush. It's a bum rush. How did they open the gate?
It just cracked a little bit. It's all good. It's all good. Oh, you got kisses? Absolutely. That was a good picture. Well, whenever you guys are ready, I will bring them back.
Whenever you're ready.
It's on.
I think we all need to be ready at the same time, though.
Take your time.
Oh, we like you. No, I love a golden. Oh, I do.
Okay.
They're all babies. No.
They're all
She's a
babies?
chunky monkey and never misses a meal.
Chunky monkey.
Come on, y'all. Come on. Back up. Hold it up.
Come on, boo-boo.
They're like,
Come on,
the people
boo-boo.
out here.
Right.
Are you guys ready? Here, I'll
Feed me. Feed me, Seymour.
Yes, grab me with little thing. They're like, we want to come play with everybody. Is it goat yoga time?
No.
They're like, yes. Oh, there you go. There you go.
So why does certain goats have horns? Certain goats don't?
So it depends on the breed. It's 50-50. Sometimes they're born with horns. Sometimes they're born without. And then our bigger goats, which I didn't get into very much, our bigger goats, these white ones right there, are going to be about 250 pounds and about as tall as me. So we take their horns off.
Wow.
You take the horns off.
Yes.
Wait, how long
But
does
all
that take?
smaller goats, it's kind of like getting your ears pierced. You get it done when you're 2 days old, and it does not hurt them
But
at
how
all.
long does it take them to get that big?
They will be that big at 2 years old.
Wow.
At 2 years old. Back up, Joy. Back up,
Come
Joy.
on, Julie.
There you go, girl.
So
You're
do
welcome.
you ever use your goats for meat?
No.
You don't harvest them?
No, because we use them for dairy and then we use them for events. So our babies do all of our events. The mamas we use for dairy, and then our boys do our landscaping business.
Yeah.
So all of our boys right now aren't here because they're out on a job.
I was going to ask you if you rented them out. I've heard of that.
Yep, they stay busy 24/7. They are rarely here on the farm. They come back here at night, and then they go out. So we have several contracts with the solar companies, and we'll go and graze underneath the solar panels.
Right.
And then we're at